Okay, so today I'm going to make a pair of trousers for this little fella here. So I've used a child's t-shirt that you can just buy from the supermarket or anything like that, and I've laid my pattern out and I have drawn around my pattern. I can see it, I don't think you can, but here is my pattern. So it is a rectangle of 21 centimeters high, tall, length, and 18 across. So you need a fold of about, I'll put 2 centimeters there. You need a tail going from about 6 centimeters to 10 centimeters there, and then your legs need to be approximately 9 centimeters with a little curve. Oopsie, just dropped that. So I've drawn around it, so I'm just going to cut it out now. Right, okay, so I have just done a straight stitch all the way around the line for where his tail's going to come out, so I'm just going to get a pair of scissors and cut down very carefully that line. There we are. So I haven't cut right to the top, right to the bottom, I've just stopped short of there. So I'm now going to get it ready to stitch the whole thing up. Okay, so I'm now going to stitch the inside of the trousers up. These clips are really useful, I've found. Instead of pin, you don't get the holes in right. This could go horribly wrong, I don't know. Fix that in a minute. Okay, so I have still the wrong side out. I've turned down the top that would go around his waist, so I'm going to just stitch along the very bottom, because in a minute I'm going to thread. I'm going to thread something through to tie up with. so I've gone all the way around. I have made a little tiny hole there. I know it's naughty, but that's how I'm going to leave it. Sort of at the front, so that's where I'm going to thread the thing that goes around his waist to tie it in a minute. So I'm just going to turn these the right way out now. So for the tie that goes around his waist, I've just cut a length of t-shirt material because it's quite stretchy. So I'm going to put a safety pin through there. Oops, I'll thread it through the hole. This is such a cute little iron. Doesn't cost very much on Amazon. So there we go. What's that, mate? You want to try them on? Okay, let's do that. Okay, so here is the finished product. Doesn't he look smart? There's a little tail coming at the back. Might need to make the cord in the middle a little bit longer. But yes, I think that's quite a success. Okay, so until next time, see you later. Say bye. Bye.